Welcome to IGCSE Chemistry, Chapter 9 Metals.
Give the physical properties of all metals.
Good conductors of heat and electricity. Malleable, ductile, shiny and lustrous.
Give the physical properties of Group 1 metals and state how they are different.
Low density, they can even float on water. Low melting point, soft, can be easily cut with a knife.
State the meaning of the term alloy and give one example.
An alloy is a mixture of a metal with another element. Example: brass made up of copper and zinc, or steel made up of iron and carbon.
Metals are often used in the form of alloys. Explain, in terms of their properties, why alloys are used instead of pure metals.
Alloys are harder than pure metals. They are stronger, they are more resistant to corrosion.
Name the two substances needed for iron to rust.
Oxygen and water.
Brass is an alloy of zinc. Explain, in terms of particles, why brass is harder than pure zinc.
Pure metals have layers of atoms that can slide over each other. Brass contains different sized atoms. These distort the layers and make it more difficult for atoms to slide, so brass is harder.
Describe one chemical property of sodium.
Reacts with water to produce hydrogen and a hydroxide. Reacts with chlorine to form sodium chloride.
Describe what a saturated solution is.
A saturated solution contains the maximum amount of solute. No more solute can dissolve at a given temperature.
Name the main ores of zinc and aluminium.
Zinc, zinc blende, aluminium, bauxite.
Describe the reactions that occur in a blast furnace during the extraction of iron from hematite. Include one chemical equation for the reduction of hematite, one chemical equation for the formation of slag.
Step 1. Coke burns to form carbon dioxide. Step 2. Carbon dioxide reacts with more coke to form carbon monoxide. Step 3. Reduction of hematite by carbon monoxide. Step 4. Decomposition of limestone. Step 5. Formation of slag.
The iron extracted from a blast furnace is impure. Identify the main impurity and explain how it is removed in steelmaking.
Main impurity is carbon. Removal. Blow oxygen through molten iron. Carbon reacts to form CO2, which escapes as a gas.
Name two waste gases that leave the blast furnace during the extraction of iron.
Nitrogen, carbon dioxide.
Name two zinc compounds which react with dilute hydrochloric acid to form zinc chloride.
Zinc oxide, zinc carbonate.
Sulfur is obtained from metal ores for sulfuric acid production. A. Name a sulfur-containing metal ore. B. How is the ore converted to sulfur dioxide?
A. Ore. Zinc blende. B. Conversion. Strong heating, roasting in air.
Name two compounds which react with dilute sulfuric acid to produce aqueous zinc sulfate.
Zinc oxide, zinc hydroxide, zinc carbonate.
Explain why carbon monoxide is formed higher in the blast furnace during iron extraction.
There is insufficient oxygen higher in the furnace. Coke reacts with carbon dioxide to form carbon monoxide.
Write the equation for the reduction of hematite by carbon monoxide.
Reduction of hematite. 3 carbon monoxide plus iron oxide gives 2 iron plus 3 carbon dioxide.
Explain why air is blown into the blast furnace.
To oxidize the coke and produce carbon dioxide.
State the advantages of recycling iron.
Less iron ore mined to conserves natural resources. Less energy used to conserves fuels.
Iron is converted to steel using oxygen and another compound. A. How does the oxygen remove the carbon? B. Name the other type of compound used.
A. Oxygen oxidizes the carbon to carbon dioxide. B. Basic oxide.
Give the advantages of recycling aluminium.
Saves energy. Conserves natural resources. Aluminium ore.
Explain why aluminium is extracted by electrolysis and not by reduction with carbon.
Aluminium is too reactive to be extracted by carbon. It is high in the reactivity series, so carbon cannot reduce it.
In the blast furnace, impurities are removed as slag. I. Name the substance added to remove impurities. E. Explain how it works.
I. Substance. Limestone. E. Explanation. Decomposes on heating. Right pointing arrow forms calcium oxide. Reacts with impurities like silicon dioxide. Forms slag which can be removed.
Aluminium is extracted by electrolysis. A. Why can't aluminium be extracted by carbon? B. What is the role of cryolite in electrolysis? C. Name the product at the positive electrode. D. Write the ionic half equation at the negative electrode.
A. Aluminium is more reactive than carbon and is above carbon in the reactivity series. B. Cryolite lowers the melting point of aluminium oxide, which reduces energy costs. C. Positive electrode product is oxygen. D. Negative electrode half equation is Al 3++3 electrons gives Al.